Well, yeah, Fortnite, we're about to get down. Hello, and welcome to another episode of Cars Craft Corner. I am here with my little buddy and my big buddy. Oh, and my big buddy. Okay. And also, Murphy's here as well. Good. We're gonna make some doggy treats today. A very easy 3-ingredient treat that I'm sure the dogs will love. I'm actually gonna do 2 today. I'm gonna do the dog biscuits that are baked and then a no-bake option, which I just learned about from my brother's girlfriend. Let's just get into this, shall we? But before we begin, if you're brand new to the... You scared the crapoli out of me! What's wrong with you? I thought you left!
That's contact right there.
Wait, were you recording that? Yes. If you're brand new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button to become a part of this whatever it is we're doing here. If you're not new and you're not subscribed, I mean, it's a little awkward, but it's fine. It's fine. Go ahead, do it now. It's fine. We'll just not talk about it. So we're gonna start things off with the no-bake treats. This one uses yogurt, mashed banana, and peanut butter. And you mix it all together, you put it in a little cup, and you freeze it, and then it becomes a delicious doggy treat. Mashing this banana. Does it look so good, Rocky? Oh, it looks so good. Oh, it's very mashy now. When giving dogs peanut butter, you have to be sure that it doesn't have any xylitol in it. That is an artificial sweetener that is deadly. I don't know if it's deadly. It's just not good. It could be deadly. I'm not saying it's not. I just don't know. All I know, no xylitol. So I got this natural peanut butter, and the only ingredient is peanuts. And it smells delightful. Delicious blueberry oikos. Oikos? Just mixing all the 3 ingredients together with my 2 spoons. And now all I'm gonna do is scoop these into my little silicone, I don't know what this is called, baking mold, and then pop it in the fridge. So just one nice little spoonful in each thing. And they're not the prettiest things ever, but here they are in their glory. And we will check back in on that in a little while. But until then, let's get started on our baked biscuits. I do forget what the website was that I got this on, but I will link it below in the description. This is not my recipe, I just found it on the internet, so. It says prep time 15 minutes, cook time 20, total time 35 minutes, and it makes 35 treats. So for this one, you need flour, eggs, and water, and then whatever you wanted to add into it. So I have peanut butter, banana, honey, and pumpkin. So I'm gonna make 4 different kinds. So let's get started. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Says you can use, hello. It says you can use all-purpose flour, but I got this whole wheat flour because, I don't know. Flour has no smell. Just to let you know that I'm not a veterinarian or any kind of expert in any area, but specifically not animal health. Make sure you talk to your veterinarian before you give your dogs any homemade treats. In fact, it is probably good advice to always talk to an expert before listening to me. I should probably put that in the description of my videos. Okay, first step is to preheat your oven. Done that already. Great, we're on the right track. Okay, 3 cups. This is 2 cups. Oh, this bowl is like not big enough. This one doesn't seem that much bigger, but I guess we'll see. 3 cups of my whole wheat all-purpose flour, 2 large eggs lightly beaten, half cup of water. I'm gonna mix this all together. My whole wheat flour, my 2 lightly beaten eggs, and my little bit of water. And I'm gonna make a nice dough with my hands. How fun! Oh, where you going, Mr. Rock? Rocco is looking at it with anticipation. What's supposed to be happening here? Like, is it supposed to be this sticky? Okay, this is cool. I got a dough now. So I'm gonna make some little stars. Okay. These are going in the oven. Okay, I'm gonna make some peanut butter ones. I almost used my bare hand. Don't do that. Oh wow, they're like crunchy little things. Oopsies. That's what the stars look like now. They're fully nice and cool, and they're really cute little doggy stars. I'm just gonna kind of eyeball this one. If it goes wrong, it goes wrong. I'm adding half a can of pumpkin. Getting slightly experimental, it's okay. I don't want to get my other hand dirty. I think I'll just stick with one hand for now. The fork. They cool off really quickly. These are the round honey flavored ones, and they look quite tasty. I just pulled the last ones out of the oven, so it's time for the taste test.
Kind of boring.
I mean,
Yuck.
you're not a dog.
Yuck. Yeah.
So much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you have a dog, first of all, because I'd like to know. And second of all, what is your favorite breed of dog? That's what I'd like to know. Mine is... it's too hard to decide, but I really like Italian Greyhounds, which I'm really hoping to get one in the next year or so.
Okay, and on that note...
I put out a new video every Saturday morning, and I would love to see you guys here this time next week. But until then, always remember to be kind, stay curious, and get crafty. Bye for now!
Oh, drop my bowl. Yeah, whatever.